Well, we're back over at the house. I've got to finish putting up the porch swing anchors, framing stuff. But we've had some deliveries. We've got cedar beams, rough cut cedar beams for the house. The 12 by 12 will be on the front. There'll be 4 of them, and looks like we've got 12 for the carport and the back porch. Those will be 8 by 8s. But still got materials that need to be picked up that haven't been picked up. Some of it has, but for some reason this hadn't. Anyways, no big deal. The heating guys have done their rough in on the heating. It's probably going to be dark in here, guys. It's all above, probably echo too, huh? It's all above the living room kitchen. So this is the living room, that's going to be the kitchen. But they've got it roughed in. I'll really see if I can get a spot where I can show you guys anything. Ah, here we go. Maybe not. Maybe not. So they'll be roughing in vents to the storm shelter. Be an intake. I'm sorry, one coming in and one going out to keep air circulating, because that is our master closet. They've got the shower. See, they got both bathrooms rough cut for the fart fans, basically the exhaust fans. They always call them fart fans. I don't know. That's really all that's happened. It's been really wet. A lot more duct work completed. It's really wet. Been doing a lot of raining. Yeah, a lot of raining. And so today is Saturday, a continuation of when we were working on the other framing for the porch swing on the front porch. And last night I stayed up trying to catch a sounder. There's a lot of activity over there on that property I'm working. Today is opening day of dove season. I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm getting a late start and it's hot. Anyways, so the goal is to finish that one over there, get it secured in place, start working on the back porch one. That's what I'm gonna do. We got more rain coming all week. Don't know how much more is gonna get done. Oh yeah, good sunlight. All right, so I've got it 36.5 inches off the base of that decking up there to the edge, and that's just to kind of keep it parallel or perpendicular to the wall. Hey, that's big words. Now I've got some scrap wood. What I'm gonna do is these rafters running here is 24 inches on center. So I'm gonna cut some wood in, and on top screw it so that the beam, it's heavy, but I kind of do things overkill anyways, so it doesn't shift. Also, the anchor bolts, I'm having a hard time finding anything threaded all the way down with an anchor bolt. So, and I believe this is how I did the last one. We'll just drill through without water in it, the bottom hole. That's 5.5 inches, and the hole itself will keep it from rocking. But on top, we will this will go right here. We'll have it double locked with a double nut, but this one here is wax, so it won't allow it to adjust any. But I also got a new tool. Got a little skill saw, cordless. For the ones y'all don't know, my wife does a lot of custom woodwork, and maybe one day we can talk her into doing a channel. Anyways, I'm gonna unpack this, get that and then get that cut, and somehow get up there and screw all this down. Need some help, I think. Alright, now I gotta find the center. This is 101 between these where the brick and the siding will be on this beam. So now I gotta find 50.5. That's simple. Alright, got center. So off of center is going to be the where the eye bolts are. So 34 1/4 from center. Alright, so I'm up here in the attic part of the porch where the beam is to support the swing. And I'm going to take these here across the rafters, and what that's going to do is help it when the swing swings, this beam doesn't rock. It's not going to rock, but it's an overkill. So I'm going to screw it down, cut me 4 of them, tie them into these rafters. This is overkill, guys, way overkill. But I'm here, this is scrap wood, I'll use it. I ain't gotta worry about anything afterwards. Yeah, I'm up here. I'm hiding up here.
You doing alright?
I am. Yourself?
Doing well, doing well.
What you got?
I'm here looking. Chris called about.
I'm him. I'm him.
Ryan Smith, how you doing?
Oh, okay. Hey. Yeah. I tell you what. Give me a second,
Sure,
and I'm gonna come on down. Got it in here, secured to these rafters. That's tied into the porch and to the house. Not gonna move. All I gotta do now is find where my anchor bolts will go through, drill holes, get them set. That way when the siding guy that comes to do the underneath the porch will have it ready for him. Then I still got one more of these to do. I may do it a little different than this one though. It's hot out here, humid. Yeah, that sucked. That didn't work out like I wanted to. Go on, swappy jaw. Now, let me see if I can get square again. Hope y'all get a good angle of this. I don't know if you are or not. Ah, that's done. I gotta make it bigger. Let me see if I can get back up there again. I'm just trying to get the pilot holes first, guys. Trying to get it as square as possible so when, well, I'll just show you. So I want this to hang perfectly straight. I don't want it to be like this or this, so that's why I'm using the square as best I can. And then I'll put this in here and we'll screw it down from the top. And like I said, it'll just be gravity held, but this board will keep it from doing that right there. It will just pivot right here. Got it? Good. Alright, got it through. Went through. I just had to hit it harder with the hammer. So all I gotta do now is get this screwed down. This will hold it from going down. The washer nut is just to make sure. I was going to double lock it, but she found these, my wife did. So just simple, use these. And then we can adjust this later. Right now I'm just going to kind of secure it. And once the siding guy gets here to do his part, then we can. Alright, it's moving. I might have to hold it down below. Once the siding guy gets here, whether we had to pull it back out or he can cut around it, make some sort of plate that goes around it, we'll figure that out. But I just need to get these in place so he knew they went there. And once this is all closed off, I can't access this particular front porch. I can access the back porch, not here. And that's it. I'm gonna do this other one off camera, and then I'm gonna get down. All right, there we go. They're all straight and pretty. Heather's gonna be happy. She loves her porch swing. And then on the back, she's gonna build a bed porch swing. You know, that way her and Hannah both can lay on it, because they fight over the little one they have. Let's go back there and look at that one. It's going to be built basically the same way, and hot. So it'll be down here on the back porch on the end, and this will have full sun most of the day. We'll put a shade cloth right here. So it's gonna go right here. We'll have a shade cloth like we did on the other house. And basically I'm just gonna duplicate that back there, and it'll have plenty of room back here. On this house, we didn't put our old house had the master suite here. We didn't put a window here because Heather's gonna actually build a Murphy bed for that spare bedroom, and that's also where I'll do my editing for the videos and stuff like that. All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna call it done on this. Y'all don't need to see me do another one. I don't know how much I showed on the other one. All right, y'all stick with me, and if you like the hog videos, keep watching them. Hit that subscribe button, share, tell all your friends and family. We're a little unique. We don't do just homestead stuff, and really right now we haven't been doing any homesteading, gardening, or anything like that. We've just been concentrating on the house and keeping up with the hog trap. So anyways, we love y'all. Y'all stay with us, subscribe. Most of all, you become part of our family. We'll see you.